In the apple pie and the sharpshooter, I'm in the overtime like it's sharpshooter. I feel like I'm intruding. She's a friend of mine in the alibi, in the getaway car in overdrive like it's sharpshooter. I like the way you're moving. She's a real life, wow, what's she talking about? I think I love her. Yeah, 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 yeah. So from across the room, eyes looking at me, looking at you like, hey cherry blossom, yeah, yeah, what's your problem? I don't want your leather jacket, I just wanna taste your chapstick. It's sharpshooter, what are we doing? She's a real wildfire, and she's hard to contain, she's going hard. Yeah, 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 yeah. She's a real life, wow, what's she talking about? I think I love her. I just wanna be here, walking like an animal. I just want a t-shirt, bring it to let's lose control.